excuse the interruption, we have a real pro coming in. He's gonna tell you exactly how it works.
See, the light right now comes from the sun.
Now I want to show you something cool. So when we got here, this is one of the first places we walked through because the hotel lobby is like right there. And then I figured out, oh, this is the spot. Because right now, I'm probably looking awfully blue and looking awfully like a Smurf. Prove it, I'll take a picture. So I have blue tints and everything and looking like Blue Man Group, and I'm not in Vegas, I'm in Dallas, so we can't do that. But I'm gonna show you the differences because if you look this way, you have a giant window. If you look this way, you have dark pictures and a dark wall. Then you have this blue light coming down. But we're gonna do something really amazing. And I'm just gonna walk towards that window and I'm gonna go from blue to absolutely perfectly exposed. So you're gonna actually notice the lights start to change. The blue is gonna drop off, it's gonna stay in the background, it's gonna get off of my face. But the closer and closer I get to this natural light, the prettier I'll be, which is very hard to do. But now I should have some very good light, and I have a really cool background. This is some Brian G. Johnson stuff right here. Just seeing, we were hollering at every random person that walks by.
Yeah. Oh, I'm just a random person walking.
Well, no, you're not actually random. little spot check from Evan Carmichael. Okay, so just a really cool picture. By the way, I know this is a cool picture because when I first got here at like 8 o'clock yesterday or 2 days ago, I walked in and the first picture I took was this picture I'm going to show you because it was the first thing I knew that would represent this whole weekend. Now, if you look, we have this beautiful location, this beautiful atrium, and one of the biggest things about composing a picture, maybe not a video, this doesn't always work for video, but for a photograph, is to make things look epic, get low. It makes them look bigger. So if you want to look bigger, you get the camera low. Now I can take a picture like this of this beautiful location, and it's a fine picture. But if I want to make it look epic, and I'll set my camera down. So with the camera on the ground, you can take a shot like this, and you'll be able to get foreground, background, and highlights from the sky. So the concept is there's a thing called leading lines, and with this building, everything is symmetrical, everything is straight, you have light posts, you have all these rooms, you have all these lines and columns. So by being low, you have the foreground, the walkway, which leads a person's eyes into the picture and it guides them up to the brightest location of the picture, which is that back wall getting all that light casted on it. And the human eye is always attracted to the most or the brightest part of an image. So you want to lead the eye to tell the story. And that's how you do it. You lead it to the light. So go towards the light. So I'm basically going to set this on a 2-second timer. I'm going to run over there, and because I'm putting it as a low image, it's going to make me look epic and large. Now you probably don't want to do this with too many women because you don't like to make women look epic and large. They don't like that, but guys do. So you can get it composed. Now you want everything symmetrical because I'm going to be standing right between those poles. And it'll be the centerpiece of your image. And you can use it as a thumbnail, whatever you want, and it makes you look epic, and it makes the scene look epic, and it tells a story. Chasing light, finding cool shots. So guys, that's how I would chase light, how I compose a shot, how I create the images to make myself look epic, to make myself look way better than I really am. And it helps everybody to do that. So I'm Jeffrey Eatley, my channel is Jeffrey Eatley, and if you want to pursue photography or learn creative ways to do new things, come visit me, and then you'll also get to just hear some crazy, wacky stories and learn from all the people I meet from too, because that's what I'm all about. And now, I'm gonna go find out what's next, because it's always about what's next.
Jeff Eatley, he's the man, he's Mr. Photography. He is a professional photographer. He is paid for doing his work. So he's got some awesome portfolio. I want you to be sure you check out his channel, check out all his Instagram. He's got some cool stuff up there. So this has been You Do It with Jeff. Thanks everyone.